When you want more money, or you have no money, or you're making a lot and you just want more, say what I'm about to tell you, and you're going to actually make yourself a magnet to money. You're gonna have money start coming to you quickly. You're gonna start to have the clients come, the opportunities come, the good luck. You will start to see your bank account grow when you say this simple money affirmation that will speed up the process for you to attract riches. My name is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like button on this video. It's right over there on the side. And let's dive right into this video. See, when you title a video and you say something like I said, hey, if you say this, you can attract more money, or you title a video, say this and money will come. What happens is I immediately get resistance from a lot of people. The reason is you have been deeply conditioned. This is the greatest conspiracy that ever was and ever will be. The wealthiest people in the world have, over many generations, conditioned you to have a negative relationship with money and to look at it as hard to get. They did this very deliberately because they wanted to control human civilization, and the easiest way to control human civilization is to essentially financially enslave people and to make people think that they don't have real income earning potential. And furthermore, to dismiss the power of your mind entirely. Now, I fumbled upon this secret because I was working harder than ever. I was spending hours and hours and hours regularly working 12, 13, 14-hour days. In fact, when I first met my wife, the first time she ever slept over at my house, I said, I have to let you know I wake up at 4 a.m. to start working every single day. And I was such a workaholic. I spent so many hours of my day working. My neck hurt all the time. My back hurt all the time. But I just grinded. Yet my bank account didn't reflect this. Then I said what I'm about to tell you right now, and what started happening was amazing. I became a multi-million-dollar business owner by the time I was 27 years old, and I became a published author with the #1 publishing company in the world, Penguin Random House, on multiple book deals. My career took off, and things, guess what? I started working less than ever before. So what I'm about to tell you is going to make your mind a money magnet. Now, this is important to discuss these preliminary parts because there is a part of your mind that has been conditioned to believe that it can't be easy, and to condition you to believe that you live in this physical world and it's a dog-eat-dog world and it's really hard. In fact, people say mind over matter. It's mind over money. You can bring money into your life if you change your relationship with it. The trouble is everybody has money affirmations. Most people's money affirmations are unconscious and negative though. Gosh, why is it so hard? Oh my gosh, I'm not making any progress. Oh yeah, sure, it's easy. Their money affirmations are they wish they had it, but they speak negatively about it. Think of money just like a relationship. If you had a husband or a wife and you told them that they weren't very important, or they were hard to come by, or you would rather be happy than have them, or that they were the root of all evil, do you think they would be around? No, they would leave very quickly. And this is the same thing. So comment down below mind over money. Comment that down below, and I'm about to share with you the affirmation, but first comment that down below. I think it's the coolest saying. Mind over money. You heard mind over matter, but it's like we have this exclusive relationship where money is separate, and it's just mind over matter for life, but not money. No, money's included in that. So comment down below, mind over money. Comment that down below, mind over money. So what if you thought of yourself as a money magnet? What if you started to say, I am so happy and grateful. I'm a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I am so happy and grateful. I'm a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Do you notice with how much energy I'm saying that? I'm not doing that for any other reason than I have to feel the emotion of what I'm saying. The word emotion is energy in motion. Emotion. It's your energy in motion, and where your energy is dictates the money that you bring into your life. When you get emotionally involved in these words here, I am a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. A lot of people will hear this and they'll go, yeah, sure, I'm a money magnet, this is stupid, and they'll click out of it, and they'll just go back to their same old reality of struggling financially. When you change your mental relationship with money, you start to attract opportunities you didn't know were even in front of your face. So say it with me. I am a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Comment that down below. I am a money magnet. Comment that down below. I am a money magnet. Say it to yourself. Like, get excited. Close the door if you have to. Say it out loud. Like, I talk to myself like this out loud all the time. I say, I am so happy and grateful that large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Every single day, I'm serving more people. I'm inspiring more people. Every day, I'm getting wealthier and wealthier. I'm helping others become wealthier. I have $1 million ideas that come into my head every day, and it makes me so excited because my income is constantly growing. I'm becoming a serious money magnet. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. I'm getting richer. I'm getting wealthier. I'm getting healthier. I'm getting happier. I'm feeling more energized. I'm attracting all new opportunities. I'm so excited I'm wealthy. I'm so grateful I'm rich. When you start to do that, what happens is your brain starts to believe it. And when your brain starts to believe it, it builds new neural networks. It builds new neural connections in your brain. And when that happens, your brain literally becomes conditioned for a new reality. It becomes hardwired neurologically for a new reality. Nerve cells that fire together in your brain, they wire together. So when you start doing this regularly, you literally make your brain a magnet for money. So say it. I am so happy and grateful that I'm a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. See, when you start to get into this reality, you get the motivation to keep going. You don't procrastinate because procrastination comes from a fear of things not working out anyways. But once you start conditioning your brain that you already are a money magnet, you don't even need to worry about procrastination or fear because you know that things are going to physically shift because you already see and live in this world of prosperity. You started to attract new jobs, new opportunities, new clients. Things are shifting because why? Mind over money. Mind over money. So comment down below, I am a money magnet. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I am reminding you, you are more powerful than you believe. People have told you your thoughts don't matter and that you aren't that powerful. It's not true. You are, in fact, if you knew how powerful every thought, every emotion, every dream that you had was, you would be astounded. You would be flabbergasted. Why would you be flabbergasted? Because you would be amazed at how incredibly powerful of a person you are. That you could have all the things that you want in life, that not only are you worthy of them, but they are possible. And that your brain can actually be hardwired to create these things for you. Now it's time to brainwash yourself. See, the world has brainwashed you to think, oh, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, it's hard, business is hard, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get out of debt. That's what society has brainwashed you for. It's time to brainwash yourself for prosperity, for God's abundance flowing into your life in avalanches of success with constant miracles, positive fortunes coming your way. It's time to start brainwashing yourself to have financial freedom. And when you do that, you will notice the results in your life start to change quickly. So if you haven't yet, I created a success hypnosis to do this for you. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. If you look right at the comments, I pinned it to the top of the comment. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Now, This is a free success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind. Psychologists say we have 65,000 thoughts in a day, and that 95% of our life is subconscious, it's unconscious, it's habitual. So if you can reprogram your subconscious mind for success, for prosperity, to feel like you are good enough, smart enough, that your financial freedom and your ideal income and dream life, that it's all possible, if you could hypnotize yourself for that, then you can get anything that you want. So I did this for myself, and now over 600,000 people from all over the world have used it every day. I get a miraculous, awesome story about somebody's life changing by using it. Only take you a couple minutes a day, and it's totally free. It's right there down below. It's pinned to the comments, jakeshypnosis.com. You'll see it right there down below. That's jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. So go ahead, use that for like 5 minutes, and then watch the amazing things start to come into your life. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the like button on this video, because that's what sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. So make sure you hit the like button on the side right over there, and then comment down below, I am a money magnet. Say to yourself, I'm a money magnet. Say to yourself, God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. Every day I'm getting richer. Every day I'm having better and better ideas. I'm thinking more clearly than ever before. I'm serving people better than ever before. I give my talents with love. And I'm wonderfully blessed financially. Say it to yourself. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? Right over there on the side, even if you already subscribed a few weeks ago. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I'm so excited about the fantastic things that are headed your way. Remember, mind over money. All those old thoughts in your head that say you can't do it and all these things, they're just a record player. They're old habits that have been programmed into your mind by society. Now you are replacing them by saying this exact phrase. I am a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I am a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Say it. I am a money magnet. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I have a feeling large sums of money are going to come to you quickly and easily as you start to anchor this into your subconscious mind. Make sure you comment it down below. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Have a fantastic day. Today is a beautiful day to be alive. If you haven't noticed yet, take a deep breath in and out. Go. And take another deep breath in and out. Go. Okay, have a great day.